Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's 30th June 2021 and it's 3 afternoon. We are here to take a review, take an account of Asas Elite, what has been done till date. This is Asas Elite. It's, as you all must be knowing, or some of you must not be knowing, it's 1200 SFT 3 BHK flats available for sale. The available inventory is one is at 4th floor and the other one is at 5th floor. 5th floor we have got 2 units. We are looking at one of the available unit at Asas Elite by Landmark Homes and Asas Constructions. Do like and subscribe us on our YouTube channel, which is Landmark Homes Hyderabad, lmh.hyd. Let's get inside and have a look at what has been done. This is the first room we are entering. This information is for those who are looking at the project for the first time. This must be around 12 by 11 room and beautiful ventilation outdoor, large windows. Yes, here you're going to have an aluminium powder coated windows, and there you go with the door frames which are of pure teak, and the doors will be moderate. This is the main entrance we have entered. This is the entrance for the drawing room or the third bedroom. So the moment you enter, to your right hand side would be the rest of the house with this arch which takes you inside the house, and right in front of it would be the third bedroom. So this is the hall. Probably this could be the living hall, and then this is the second part of the hall which starts from this beam, and here you're going to have dining area. The moment you enter, the first bedroom at your right hand side is the bedroom with a balcony. It's 12 by 13 kind of a room, 12 by 11 kind of a room, which comes with a balcony, 3.5 feet. The balcony is again finished with lapam. The exterior lapam is also there, and you're going to have SS pipes fixed onto this. This is the rainwater outlet. Again, aluminium window sliding. This is the first. You come out of it. Right next to it is the second room. Both the rooms are coming on the main road. That's the main road window where you're getting the opening. And the second level of plaster is done. Beautiful outdoor view from all the windows. And the one good thing of this project is it has got a very beautiful ventilation. This is the built-in wardrobe which the builders are going to provide. And this is a master bedroom with an attached bath. In this, the bathroom, what I feel is it's a very squarish. It's very rare to see the squarish bathroom. Little darker because of this curtains, the construction curtains around. So a very squarish bathroom, practically very, very practical bathroom rather. So once you get out of this second bedroom, you have a hand wash area, the common bath, again a squarish common bathroom, and then you have got a kitchen, overhead storage with the shelves at the top, and then to the right you have one more balcony, and this is going to be the wash area where you're going to place your washing machine. Beautiful outdoor view, lot of greenery around. This point could be the point of your refrigerator and kitchen. You have dining, and right opposite to dining will be the hand wash area, accommodating another bathroom. So it's a 3 BHK 1200 SFT, and available only 3 flats. It's G+5 structure, and your queries are more than welcome. We would be happy to answer all your questions. And common area is pretty much spacious and limited. Common area, the moment you land out from the left, you enter into the flat 1, and a window and the flat 2 entrance. So spacious staircase. The entire construction is done with red brick, and pretty much spacious lift which could easily accommodate healthy 6 people. So 2 flats per floor. The land is around 300 square yards, so approximately each flat would be around 150 square yards. And let's get down and see the elevation. We have got beautiful landing, pretty much spacious landing for to mobilize your day-to-day stuff or mobilize you while you're shifting. It has got spacious turning, and yes, pretty much ventilated. The staircase is pretty much ventilated, and this entire area is going to be the parking. The entire parking area, complete ground floor is parking. Here will be your power backup. Power backup is there where if you have any power cut down, that's the washroom and room. And we are going to have the Baqar-e-Eid Qurbani point somewhere here. And then if there's something else, yes, we have got the funeral point as well. where you can prepare. The generator is very much installed. The transformer is very much installed. And this is the building. Yeah, that's our flexi. That's the building elevation. Your queries are more than well. This is the exterior of the building. A lot of trees around. We have got 2 trees at 2 different sides of the building. This road leads you to St. Anne's, and this road ends at Arvind Eye Hospital. And then this is the project, and this way you go inside the Dilshad Colony, Ayodhya Colony. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. And if you have any queries or questions, get in touch with us on our WhatsApp number 9989895591. Thank you very much for watching Asas Elite Update. This is Firoz Khan. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.